check out my wicked new glow up. I am having so much fun with these new permanent outdoor lights. My neighbors are loving all the fun that I'm having with these lights. They're just so much fun. You put them up once and then you have all the lighting concepts that you want all year round. It's a 118-foot strand with 72 lights, and they're all IP68 upgraded waterproof rating lights. Everything is included in the box, no matter if it's a holiday, if it's a birthday, if it's Thanksgiving. There are different color concepts to choose from. You get 63 preset color concepts. These lights are so smart, they work with Hey Google and Alexa. I just love how vibrant it is. You have 16 million colors in here, and you can actually create your own customizable one, and I have. So you can actually have it come on at a certain time in the evening, go off in the morning. You can actually have it, strike midnight and it turns a certain color. It also has dynamic RGB mode, which will work with any kind of music. So if you've got an outdoor Christmas or an outdoor holiday show, holiday decorations, and you have outdoor speakers, it will dynamically sync with the music that you have going for your decor. How much fun is that? It's also UV resistant. That's important if you live in an area with a lot of sun. I do, and we have some of the harshest rays on the planet. So being UV resistant is super important. These LED lights use such low electricity. They last for 50,000 hours, and you are going to have so much fun with those 50,000 hours. If you're worried about operating during extreme temperatures, they will work in -4 to 140 degree Fahrenheit, which translates to -20 to 60 degrees Celsius. You can really go crazy and be creative. I have had so many comments about this. And the biggest thing, like I said, is just that saturation of color, that full color wash on the walls. Get it now. Enjoy it all year.